Question: find all the solutions of the equation x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the question. Solution: so the given equation is a fourth degree equation, that is a biquadratic equation. X power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So find all the solutions. Let the solutions be x1, x2, x3, x4. Let these are the 4 solutions of this given fourth degree equation. Now what I do is I will divide the given equation throughout x square. Then the given equation becomes what? X square plus x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square is equals to 0. This implies, now rearrange the terms, club these two terms and these two terms. Then if you group like this, then first bracket is x square plus 1 by x square plus second bracket is x plus 1 by x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now here what I do in first bracket, x square plus 1 by x square, I will add 2 to make it a perfect square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1. Here we added 2 to balance it, subtract 2. Then this implies is a perfect square, that is x plus 1 by x whole square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equals to 0. So the given equation was fourth degree equation x by quadratic equation. Now it's a quadratic equation in x plus 1 by x. So for algebraic simplification, what I do is I will replace x plus 1 by x by y. With this substitution, this equation becomes what? Quadratic in y, that is y square plus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now roots of this quadratic are minus 1 plus r minus b square minus 4ac, therefore 1 plus 5 by 2. So this is equals to minus 1 plus r minus square root 5 by 2. So these are the solutions, that is y1 and y2 for this quadratic equation. Now what you do is, now you take this x plus 1 by x equal to y, that is we take this. Now let x plus 1 by x is equals to y. Here y has two values, that is y1 and y2. Y has two values, y1 and y2. First you take x plus 1 by x as y1, that is y1, then solve for x, that is x square. This one is minus y1x plus 1 is equals to 0. So it's a quadratic equation in x. It has two roots. Let the roots be x1 comma x2. Now how to find the roots? X is equals to minus b, that is minus of minus y1 plus r minus y1 square minus 4 by 2. This is equals to, So what is y1? Now y1 is equals to with plus sign you take minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Here let the y1 is equals to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 comma y2 is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Now here y1 is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Substitute over here, that is x is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 whole square minus 4 over 2, which is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 plus or minus square root. If you expand this one, here minus 1 take out common, then it becomes plus, therefore this is 1 plus root 5 whole square by 4 minus 4 over 2. This is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 16 by 4 by 2. So this is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 plus or minus square root, this is 6 minus 16, that is minus 10 plus 2 root 5 by square root of 4 is 2 over 2, which is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 4 plus or minus, if you take out minus outside the root, then it becomes I into square root 10 minus 2 root 5 by this 2 to 4. So here these are the values of what? x1 and x2, roots of this quadratic, that is x1 and x2. So x1 comma x2 are these values, therefore x1 is equal to, with plus sign you take minus 1 minus root 5 by 4 plus I into square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. This is x1 comma x2 with minus sign you take, that is x2 is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 minus of I in by 4 minus of I into 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So these are the two values, that is x1 is equals to this one and x2 is equal to this one. So these are the x1 and x2 values, that is these are the solutions of the original equation, that is given fourth degree equation in x. Now similarly, by taking y2 you solve, that is let x plus 1 by x is equals to y2. So if x plus 1 by x equals to y2, then x square minus y2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So the roots of this equation, already the roots of this equation we considered as x1 and x2. Roots of this equation you consider as x3 comma x4. So now x is equals to, if we solve, minus y minus of minus plus y2 plus or minus b square, that is y2 square minus y2 square, that is nothing but y2 square minus 4 over 2. This is equals to, now what is y2? y2 is equals to okay, here what we have taken, y1 as minus 1 minus root 5 by 2, y1 as minus 1. Okay, now what you do is, here you interchange, you consider this as y1 and this one as y2, because we have taken y1 as minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 over here, that's why I interchanged. Now y2 is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now y2 is equals to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 plus r minus minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Otherwise this minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 2. That is root 5 minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 4 over 2, which is equals to, this is also root 5 minus 1 by 2 plus r minus square root of, this is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 over 4 minus 4 over 2. So this is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 2 plus r minus square root of, this is 6 minus 2 root 5 minus 16 by root 4, that is 2 by 2. This is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 2, otherwise root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus r minus, this is 6 minus 16, that is minus 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, which is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus r minus, if we take out minus outside, then I into, this is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So these are the x3 and x4 values. These are x3 comma x4 values. So you take x3 as, so here I will write, so here x3 you take with plus sign, x3 is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus I into square root 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4, and x4 is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus I into square root 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So these are x3 and x4 values. So this is third root and this one is fourth root. So these, so here this one, this x1 and this one is x2 and this x3 and x4. So these are the roots of the original equation, that is original given biquadratic equation, that is x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. These are the 4 solutions.